What's up, guys? It is Spino from the Valor Airsoft channel, bringing you some new Airsoft content from Warped Ops. If you haven't noticed, we hit 100 subs pretty recently, so thank you guys for all your support. The next time we go to Warped Ops, we'll be able to film our 100 subscriber special, so hopefully that'll drop around the beginning of summertime because we've got a lot of work to do around the end of the school year. But once summer starts, we'll be cranking out videos every Saturday like usual. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you next time.
Hey, Chad, how many people do we have on our left side? No, that, left. Okay. Oh my.
Okay, never mind.
I got down the hall, you look that way. You got me. I'm going down. Yep. Ah! I'll meet you on the other side. Oh, shoot. That was not a good idea. There's a guy way in the back. Let's go flip, okay? Oh. Huh? 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Guys, there's still one in the back. Right there, right there. Hey, you got light up.
Watch crossfire. Watch crossfire. Gas station.
Oh. Hey.
Semi-auto, whoever that is shooting, semi-auto only.
Safety? Yeah.
What?
Safety.
Infected?
Yeah.
Good. Infected? What? Yeah. Okay, they're all in the gas station.
Good.
Get back away. Get back away.
What's up? I think the gun's on. Jeez. Okay. Watch out, this door is, watch. I guess I can't really see.
Hey! Hey!
We're gonna try to get there from behind.
Hey, are you alive?
I don't know where you go. No, I think he's
Oh, the guy just got hit in the head. The guy got hit in the head. Clear him out.
There's no one in there. There's no one in there. There's no one in there.
Alright. What? Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
I'm good.
That was dumb. Everybody, come on. Who said nobody was back there?
What?